Hello and welcome back, guys. Oil diffusers have come a long way in our daily lives, and we're all aware that essential oils are an excellent way to relax and unwind. Oil diffusers are a popular way for people to use essential oils. So in today's video, we've compiled a list of the top best-selling oil diffusers of 2024. Let's get started. Jaregu. This huge home essential oil diffuser has 10 pure essential oils and produces aromatic scents in 10 different fragrances. While misting, innovative ceramic ultrasonic technology ensures that no distracting noise is produced. It will not disrupt your sleep or job. Plus, the RGB LED light offers 15 colors to choose from, ensuring that the right color is displayed on the top and around the waist of this oil diffuser. The Aromatherapy Diffuser has a non-slip base that's more sturdy. It's an excellent nightlight, and it also has 4 timer settings: on for continuous run, 1 hour, 4 hours, and 8 hours. Mist mode offers 2 levels for you to choose from. Overall, you can use essential oil diffuser technology to create a more delicate mist. InnoGear Aromatherapy. The InnoGear Ceramic Diffuser is a well-designed home appliance that adds moisture and diffuses oil smells. With a few drops of pure essential oil applied, this diffuser will be an excellent way to distribute aroma around your home. Created with precision, its handcrafted ceramic cover decorated with celestial star engravings transforms any place into a romantic refuge, casting a fascinating play of light. It stands out with an impressive up to 35 milliliters mist output, representing a significant 75% improvement over comparable-sized competitors. This development also offers a more intense and efficient diffusion of your preferred essential oils or scent, hence improving the whole aromatherapy experience. It produces fine and consistent cold mist that boosts air humidity without wetting your furniture or floor. You might also choose the continuous mist mode, which provides 4 to 6 hours of consistent diffusion, making it excellent for when you're reading or working. Alternatively, you can use the intermittent mode to extend the enchantment for 8 to 10 hours and enjoy prolonged relaxation. MEIDI. This appealing waterless essential oil diffuser features breakthrough 2-fluid atomization technology that seamlessly disperses your favorite essential oil into a cool mist that can be spread around any space, eliminating the need for water. You can fully control your aromatherapy experience using the wireless smartphone control. You can also create advanced schedules, particular spray times, fog intensity, and smart timers for these cordless essential oil diffusers right at your fingertips, while also embracing the simple ease of wireless operation, which will revolutionize the way you experience aromatherapy. This cordless oil diffuser gives coverage of up to 3,000 square feet, allowing you to enjoy the aromatic sanctuary. And the outer circle and inner square designs, with their beautiful piano paint texture, provide the ideal balance of squareness and roundness. SPLITSKY. This cold mist aromatherapy humidifier has a 500 milliliter capacity and uses the latest advanced ultrasonic quiet technology. It can atomize water into water vapor to help with air drying and can work continuously for 10 hours under low mist circumstances without getting wet on the table. Plus, it includes a low water volume auto shut-off mode, allowing you to use it at night without disrupting your sleep. It has 7 LED lights, 14 single colors, with 2 dark and bright settings that can be set to fixed colors and cycling color change. Or you can turn the lights on and off separately while the aromatherapy diffuser is running. The aroma diffuser has 4 time modes: 1, 3, 6 hours, and on. It also has an easy-to-use remote control that allows you to alter the lighting and spray modes. SALKING. This 2-in-1 Himalayan salt lamp and essential oil diffuser combines the therapeutic benefits of a pure Himalayan salt light with the calming aromatherapy of a diffuser. It comes with a pack of unprocessed Himalayan pink salt crystals, which are ideal for creating a good, soothing environment and boosting your energy. And this salt lamp can heat the salt crystals, making breathing easier and healthier. The combination of LED lights and water vapor from the diffuser produces an extremely realistic simulation flame effect. In addition, this flame diffuser has 4 timer settings: on, 1, 2, and 4 hour. The anti-noise structure is also great, as it's less than 20 decibels, ensuring a comfortable and warm sleep environment. ARVIDSSON. And lastly, we have the ARVIDSSON. This essential oil diffuser is made of 100% iron metal shell and BPA-free PP water tank, with a more unique and attractive handcrafted vintage metal shell style to decorate your home, not just as a diffuser. It has a huge water volume and can operate from up to 10 to 15 hours. You can also set the timer to run continuous mist, 1, 3, or 6 hours. Plus, when the diffuser reaches the mist timer setting, it will turn off automatically, so you won't have to worry about burning it out. Even better, the ultrasonic atomizer uses powerful ultrasonic technology with 2.4 million vibrations per second to convert oil and water into a mist and quickly distribute smells. That's all for now, folks. We really hope you liked our video. Hey, it's great to subscribe, so please click the bell icon, like, and subscribe to get updates on our most recent videos. Also, all product links are mentioned in the description box below, so go check it out. Thank you for watching.